Hey, if you want to know how to use Excalidraw, first of all, is a versatile browser-based whiteboard tool that's ideal for creating hand-drawn style diagrams. So if you went to the official website, you're gonna see right here, it's already self-explanatory. You're gonna see right here the export preferences and language at the top left. You can open from your gallery if you want to import to your Excalidraw, and you can save to if you finish with the project, and you can export image right here and see the live collaboration if you want to collaborate with other users in Excalidraw. And you can see right here the command palette, which is the tools. You can see right here app, library, find on canvas, live collaboration, share, toggle theme if you want to change from dark mode to bright mode, and install Excalidraw locally if you want to. And here you're going to see the export as we said before, and here you're going to see the editor if you want to get to know the shape and sounds right here, zoom out, zoom in, reset zoom, and you have the toggle grid, zen mode, view mode, shortcuts, and help right here. You're going to see it at the bottom right as well. So you're going to see right here the tools, right? If you want to know the tools from here, right? That rectangle, diamond, ellipse, arrow, line, draw, text, insert image if you want to insert your own image to draw it down or whatever it might be, or sign it. And here you're gonna see the hand, like the panning tool, and frame tool, keep selected tool active after drawing, and text to diagram, mermaid to Excalidraw. And here you're gonna see the links for their websites, right? For Twitter, YouTube, and GitHub. Okay, so basically you're gonna get to know all these tools right here from the settings, from the menu right here, on the command palette, right? Or you could just go ahead and wing it if you want to just draw like a kind of a diamond, and if you want to draw like circle, right, like this, right? Or if you want to just mess around and type something like this, right? Or draw, sorry. And if you want to add a normal text, you could just say, hi, my name is Amar, right? And you can see the shape and sounds and the text in organized layers, right? And basically you can export and share for as a PNG or SVG, or use the shared link to collaborate in real time, as we said before, with others, right? By sharing the link. And you can see right here the AI tools, frame tool, as we said before, web embed if you want to just add a code from another website to just add your project, or just take the code and post it in another website. You can paste it in another website, you could just do that. And the laser pointer, text to diagram, mermaid to Excalidraw, wireframe to code. And if you want to add a picture, you could just go ahead and add the picture. And as you can see right here, I'm adding my own picture, right? I'm just messing around with the tool, so don't do that in your free time. So we're gonna wait for a few moments, right? And as you can see, I added the photo. I can draw right here within the photo, right? Mess around. And if I want to add text from here, I can just do that as well. If I finished doing that, you could just click the three bars and then click save to, and it says right here, save the desk, shareable link, Excalidraw plus, save the scene to your Excalidraw workspace. And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.